Welcome, in front of me is POCO F7, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you forgot the screen lock password to your device. Now if you tried entering the password that worked for you the last time but it didn't work, you can try to restart your phone, and sometimes it might help you. But if it didn't, the best solution in my opinion would be to contact Xiaomi customer support service, tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of your device to them, they will most likely help you recover the access to your device easily. Now if you can't do this, then the other solution would be to perform a factory reset on your device, which will erase all data from it but will let you regain the access to it too. So you can do this remotely if you have Google account connected to your phone. In this case, you'll be able to do this by entering Find Hub service by Google, logging into the service using the email that is connected to your phone, and selecting this phone on the list, and as performing factory reset. This would usually be the last option on the list. And once you do that, once your phone is once the factory reset is performed, you'll be able to set up your device once again. Now you can also do this locally if you can't do this remotely. To do that, you'll have to use the recovery mode on your phone. So if you don't know how to use recovery mode, how to enter it or how to manage it, you can watch the entire video on our channel where we'll explain the factory reset through recovery mode process step by step. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. And for this video, that will be all. So I hope that some of my advice helped you, and if they did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.